Never buy mayonnaise again. I know what you're thinking. I love mayonnaise. I use it in a lot of stuff. Well, I'm here to tell you that if you have control over the ingredients you use in your food, you will have a lot better luck with health. The only way you can have absolute control over what you're eating is if you're making it yourself. And let me tell you, it is so easy to make mayonnaise. I don't know why you would ever want to buy it when you can just do it in like 3 minutes. So, real quick, the basics that you need is a raw egg. You need at least a cup of oil. You need some lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can even just use apple cider vinegar, but we use both. And then things to season it with. So I have a little bit of stone ground mustard. We have some sea salt, fresh ground pepper, and garlic powder. I don't know if I could ever make anything savory without garlic, let's be real. And smoked paprika because I am a fiend and I will never stop. Okay, let's get into this recipe. The core of this recipe is egg, oil, lemon, and vinegar. Everything else is for flavor, so feel free to customize. Avocado, grapeseed, and olive oil are generally more beneficial than canola, for example. We used stone ground mustard here, but any kind will do. When choosing eggs, try to go for the pasteurized local option, and preferably the pasture-raised or cage-free kind. The environment the chickens are in makes a big difference in the health benefits of the eggs they lay. Any vinegar may be used, but apple cider vinegar is highly celebrated for its medicinal effects, so it's usually our go-to. The mustard and vinegar help to stabilize and emulsify the mixture. Season to taste. We used a squeeze of lemon, also a healthy dose of salt, pepper, plenty of garlic, and my favorite seasoning thus far, smoked paprika. Now we're ready to blend. It shouldn't take longer than a minute to reach that thick and creamy consistency we've come to know and love. Because the ingredients are so few and simple, aim for high quality to make sure you're getting the most nutritional advantages possible. However, if your goal is to be frugal, adjust accordingly because again, this at its core is egg, oil, mustard, and lemon juice or vinegar. To test it out, we made a quick snack with toasted whole wheat bread, fresh mayo, sliced tomatoes, spinach, a little bit of truffle balsamic oil, and fresh ground pepper. It's gonna taste good. What's your favorite meal or snack that needs mayo? Free yourself from overpriced products one jar at a time and make your own today. It's too easy. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with the newest vibe.